Hi, I'm Marna, and I'm back again to do another troll mail unboxing. So let's get started. And I don't normally name my dolls, but this one's going to have a name and there's a reason for it, and I'll tell you about that in just a minute. I ordered this doll because I so enjoy making my own patterns and clothing for my vintage dolls. I really enjoy that, and this was up there, and this says red bow that came with her, so we'll open that in a minute. But woohoo, here she is. It's another Iggy, a red-headed, weird outfit, but I like it. Iggy Normous, and I'm going to name her Ina, I-N, Iggy Normous, A. Anyway, and I'm naming her that because she's going to be a troll I use for pattern making. And what I like to do when I make these little outfits, I usually have the troll on my lap as I make it so I can check my gauge. I offer these patterns on our website at faroutLiving.com for free. You can go there, and I make them for the big trolls, and now I'll be making them for Iggy Normous as well as the 1-inch. And if you're interested, you can have a look. This is an interesting tie that came with the little deal. I don't know, that's interesting. Anyway, here's the red bow that came with the doll right here. Thank you for watching our videos. I really appreciate it. If you would give us a like, that would give me a smile. Thank you. Have a good day.